Hey, everyone! I've got something super exciting to show you today. This product checks all the boxes, so let's dive in. First up, the design. Sleek, modern, and so well made. And the price? It's a total bargain. I was surprised at how budget-friendly it is, especially for the quality you're getting. It's also incredibly versatile. Whether for your home, office, or as a gift, it works in any setting. Want more details? Check the description below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome finds. See you next time. Hey, everyone! I've got some